Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A16s, and today I will show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now, as you can see, the phone I have in front of me obviously is locked, and it's telling me to draw the pattern to unlock it. And if I close this, it's gonna also tell me to just sign in with a Google account. But assuming I don't know either of those, I'm gonna show you how you can just completely get rid of this without obviously verifying anything. So, to get started, you will need to connect to network. So progress through the setup till you get to this page right here. Connect to your network, and from there you will back out to the first page of the setup, or second, I guess. Yep, so it's going to be second. Then we're going to click on this little guy right here, turn on accessibility, and then select to speak. Tap on the text there to turn it on. It will get probably annoying. It's gonna say something.
Talkback on.
There we go.
Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5.
Now I just muted it just so it's a little bit less distracting. That's not a requirement, but obviously if it's distracting you, then I recommend turning down the volume of it. What it says has zero effect on the actual process. So anyway, as you can see, now that the talkback is enabled, it gives us this welcoming screen right here. The way it works is whatever is selected with this green outline will be read out loud. Additionally, the touch screen isn't working as it would normally work. So now when you tap on something, for instance, like close, it first gets selected and then you need to double tap on it to confirm it. And obviously also scrolling works a little bit differently, but anyway, let's just continue. So when you have the text selected, you want to draw a mirrored L like this on the screen. This will bring up a window. So double tap on the first option while using the app. Then single tap use voice commands. And before we double tap on it, I'm going to quickly explain what we need to say, because this will need to be verbally said. So when you double tap on it, the phone will start listening to you. There might be an audible beep. We'll see. Hopefully there is, if it volume didn't affect it. But anyway, you'll hear a beep, at which point you want to say open Google Assistant. It will open up Google Assistant or give you that beep that it confirmed it. Then another beep that Google Assistant is now listening to you. And you want to follow up by saying open YouTube. And then it's going to open up YouTube. So now I'm going to do this so you can hear and see how it's done. Open Google Assistant. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
So obviously the three different beeps were clearly audible. And once you open up YouTube, you want to hold volume up and down at the same time.
Press and hold both
Select turn on.
keys for
And then hold them again.
Talkback off.
And now we can use our screen normally. So from here, you want to select the account icon. And from there, account icon. We're going to go into settings and then about, Google privacy policy, accept and continue, and no thanks. And once it loads up our web browser, you want to navigate to HardReset.Info/bypass. Now I'll type it in myself, and if you need a moment to copy it once you see it, do pause the video. So now would be the time to pause. From here, you want to scroll down till you see settings up right here. Click on it. And in here, we just simply want to scroll all the way down to System Settings. backup and reset, reset phone, erase all data, and do that once more. This will begin a factory reset of our device, and this will take probably like 2 to 3 minutes, maybe longer. And once it's finished, we'll be back in the setup screen of our device. Now at that point, the device will be fully unlocked, so I can set it up however you want. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you want. Now I'll just quickly go through the setup just so you can see that it worked. Now I'll be skipping as much as I can just to save a little bit on time. To do what? Okay, so I guess the pop-up didn't really matter. And as you can see, there we go. It's now completely finished and the device is now fully unlocked. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.